Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Bovine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives, with Pablo the farm cat. Say hi, Pablo. Pablo's traumatized. Pablo was catnapped this week, but Farmer Mike got him back. Check out all the videos, the recaps, on Facebook or on the YouTube channel, Ophelia's Bovine Farm. All right, Pablo. Pablo's waiting on his friskies. Real quick, master class. Pablo, I'm coming. Here we are outside Ophelia's Bovine Farm, and I want to give you a master class on this plant right here. This is Ophelia's callaloo right here, and this is an amaranth, and it's actually a little deceiving because that's a vine, that's something else. But here it is right here, okay? And it's like a spinach, and you can take this, and we sell this. We sell this in bunches, and you can saute it up. And this is a true super green Ophelia's callaloo right here, and loaded with iron, calcium, fiber, and vitamins A and C. True super green. Ophelia's Bovine Farm. Now, we saved this seed for about 4 years now, and this is the time actually that you would want to get in here, and you would want to save the seed from this plant. And if I can take some off right here, and look at the speck. See how tiny? Look how tiny the seeds are. Almost as small as a mustard seed. Very, very small, tiny, very minuscule right here, but produces an abundance of seeds at the end of the season right there. So we're letting this go to seed, and we'll take that and we'll bag that, and we'll have that, save that seed for next year. Let me come here, and I don't think you truly understand the resilience, the vigor, how much of a super producer this plant is. So here we are, and this isn't even full sun, this is part sun. And as you can see, look how huge. This is about 5 feet, ladies and gentlemen. And look at these leaves right here, okay? And of course here, it's going to seed. This is great color, very little bug pressure, but that's a good thing. That means it hasn't been sprayed with any pesticides or fungicides. And of course, you can use this as a supplement for animals, chickens, things of that nature. Protein also in here. Look at this. Look at the stalk. I cut this back. Okay. Oh, look at beautiful structure right here. And this is where I came through with a knife. Let me show you right here. So if I already cut it once. Hey, Pablo, we love you, Pablo. Free midnight in tuxedo. Aha, Pablo got his tracker, got him back. Okay, so I actually cut it down because it was already 5 feet. I cut it once, and it pushed a bud on the side, and it grew. And as you can see, look at that new growth. That's a bud. See that new growth right here? And look at the circumference of that. Look, it's almost as big as Pablo's head. Look at the circumference of that. Shut up, Earl. I'm trying to do a video. Rooster Earl coming in always at the bad time. So we can see right there how gorgeous, how beautiful, how abundant. And I'll do a comparison right here. So I'm 6 foot, and you can see it's at 5 foot, and it's already been cut maybe, well, at least once, maybe once this summer. But truly a remarkable plant, great in the landscape, a lot of vertical growth structure, and this is something that you food plant designers actually would enjoy right there, because that also makes a beautiful screen. So if we put it like here, we really can't even see what's behind it. So food as a landscape, food as medicine. It's a beautiful thing here at Ophelia's Bovine Farm. But again, make sure to save your seeds to these plants, and they become more acclimated to your particular soil, your particular environment right there. And that's what we're doing outside at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. So hope you enjoyed this Earl Freezer Camp. Hope you enjoyed this masterclass video. Don't forget to check out our world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. 540 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. That's Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Farmer Mike in the Jazz District, where it lives. Enjoying some of the fruits of our labor.